West Palm Beach neighbors voicing their concerns tonight about flight path changes at Palm Beach International Airport, and it all has to do with President Donald Trump.
A slight flight path change last week for airline departures did not solve the noise problem over West Palm neighborhoods. The FAA back in October mandated a no-fly zone at a 1-mile radius around the president's Palm Beach home. Even when he's not there, the Secret Service cites security.
But many residents say the diverted planes and the noise are destroying their quality of life. Ari Height has the latest on a solution.
Local and federal leaders told the crowd here Wednesday night that things have gotten better, and the residents agreed. But they also say things still aren't good. The issue here is easy to see and hear.
They come overhead at sometimes every 90 seconds or so. There's a plane.
This will go on till 11:30 at night, just non-stop.
The planes are so loud and it's so constant that we just tend to stay inside.
These folks all live in the Flamingo Park neighborhood of West Palm Beach, where planes never used to be a problem. But in October, the FAA announced planes can no longer fly over President Trump's Mar-a-Lago home. That was always the rule when the president was at Mar-a-Lago. Now it's the rule all the time.
The baggage has been cleared through security. The passengers have all been vetted. And so, that would be the question, why?
Here's what the path of departing flights from Palm Beach International Airport looked like in December of 2024. Most go straight east, down Southern Boulevard. And this is January 21st of this year. Note how the flights now turn to the north and directly over neighborhoods like Flamingo Park. Local and federal leaders met with residents Wednesday night to figure out what, if anything, can be done. Congresswoman Lois Frankel says she talked with Secret Service, and while she cannot repeat what they told her, she says they gave her a reason for the change.
If you're asking me whether it was a good reason or I believe it.
Recently, there were some more changes in the flight path, not quite as north and a little more narrow. That could be because airport officials say while they normally receive about 50 noise complaints every year, they received 500 complaints in November and December alone. Frankel's advice to the crowd? Keep complaining.
Silence is acceptance. And the way they went about this to me was totally wrong.
Congresswoman Frankel says she's trying to schedule another meeting with the Secret Service, talk more about this, maybe make some more changes. But at this point, she says she has not been able to nail down a date for that meeting. In West Palm Beach, Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.